Hello, I am M.U.D. Memon from Matiari. Today, my topic to teach you is the noun number. Dear students, as you know, I am teaching you grammar. In today's lecture, first of all, I will tell you the definition of number, the definition of singular, and the definition of plural. And then I will tell you how the plural is formed. I will tell you some rules for forming plural from singular. So first of all, definition. Number. What is the definition of number? The number shows whether one thing, one person or one place or more than one person's, places or things are spoken of. Numbers are of two kinds, singular number and plural number. The singular number denotes one person, place or thing, whereas the plural denotes more than one person's, places and things. As these are some examples of singular. Book means one book, bench means one bench, box means one box, burush means one burush, gas, glass, baby, day, potato, calf, life. All these are singular nouns. And books, benches, boxes, brushes, gases, glasses, babies, days, potatoes, calves, lives. These are plural nouns. Now I tell you some rules of forming plural. How is plural formed from singular? The first rule is we add s after singular, as book, books, pen, pens, chair, chairs, fan, fans. We added only s after the word. Number second rule. If the singular ends in ch, x, sh, s, double s, then we will add es to form plural, as bench, benches. We added es. Box, boxes. We added es. Burush, burushes. We added es to form plural. Gas, gases. Glass, glasses. Number third rule. If the singular ends in y and y is preceded by vowel, then we will change y into I and add es. Means changing y into ies, we can form plural. Baby, babies. We dropped y and added ies. Babies. Family, families. Number fourth rule. If the word ends in y and y is preceded by a vowel, means there is a vowel before Y. Then we will add only S to form plural. Day, days. Key, keys. We add only S. Monkey, monkeys. If the singular, next rule, if the singular ends in O, we will add ES. Potato, potatoes, ES. There are some 12 nouns, next rule, which end in F or FE. These are only 12 nouns. They are calf, half, knife, leaf, life, loaf, self, sheaf, shelf, thief, wife, wolf. They end in FE or F. We will drop F or FE and add VES. Calf, calves, CALVES. Life, FE or F are dropped and VES is added. But these are only 12 nouns. Then I will tell you some important points, some other nouns, how they are formed from singular to plural. Now, these are some important points to remember. The first point is S is pronounced S after a P, K or F. If there is P or K or F in the end of the word, then S is pronounced as S. Book, books. Otherwise, it is pronounced Z. Game, games. Not games. Only S is pronounced S when there is P or K or F in the end of the word. Understand? Keep this in mind. When S is placed after CE, GE, SE or ZE, then an extra syllable is added. Keep this in mind. But only when there is CE, GE or SE, then S is pronounced as is. It is syllable. S, z. These are not syllables. Now, second point. The plural of the nouns hoof, scarf and harf is formed by adding S or VES. There is F in the end, but F is not dropped. Only S is added to these words hoof, scarf and harf. WHARF. Number 3 point. The nouns, these nouns form their plural by vowel change. These are the nouns which make their plural by vowel change. Foot, feet. FOOT, FIIT. Louse, lice. Mouse, mice. MOUSE, MICE. LOUSE, LIC. Louse, lice. Tooth, TOOTH. Teeth, TEETH. Woman, women, MEN. Goose, geese. MAN, man, MEN, man. Dormouse, Dior, MOUSE, DOR, MOUSE. DOR, M-I-C, draw mice. Number fourth point. All words ending in double O, I-O, E-O or Y-O and some words ending in O preceded by a consonant words form the plural. Consonant form the plural by adding S. We add only S. If there is I-O, E-O, double O, Y-O in the end. These are words. Bamboo, B-A-M-B-O-O, we will add only S. Embryo, Y-O, we will add only S. Portfolio, I-O, there is I-O in the end, we will add S. Cameo, E-O, there is E-O in the end. Gretro, there is O in the end, we will add only S. Quarto, there is also O in the end, we will add S. Cuckoo, double O, C-U-C-K double O, we will add S. Cario, I-O, we will add S. Dynamo, there is O in the end. Harlow, H-A-L-O, we will add S. Hindu, H-I-N-D-O-O, we will add S. Piano, there is O in the end, we will add S. Studio, we will add only S. Number fifth point. Nouns ending in double F, double I-E-F, double O-F, I-E-F and R-F and some nouns ending in F form their plural by adding S. There is also F in the end, but F is not changed. Belief, we will add only S. Chief, I-E-F. Cliff, C-L-I double F, there is a double F, we will add S. Dwarf, there is R-F, we will add S. Grief, I-E-F, we will add S. Gulf, we will add only S. Reef, double I-E-F, we will add S. Roof, R-double-O-F, we will add S. Scarf, R-F, we will add S. Staff, we will add S. Stuff, double F, we will add S. Turf, T-U-R-F, we will add S. W-H-A-R-F, harf, we will add S. Number sixth point. In Old English, the plural of these nouns is formed by adding en or ne. As ox, ox, the plural of ox is oxen, en. Child, children. Cow, the plural of cow is kine. Cows is also right. Cows only s. Brother, brethren, B-R-E-T-H-E-R-N. Brothers is also right. Number 7. The plural of compound nouns. Plural of compound nouns is formed by adding s to the principal word. Compound noun is the noun which is made of more than one word. The principal word. We will add s to the principal word. As look at this. Footman. In this word, man is a principal word. So we will form plural of man, M-E-N, man, footman, footman. Hanger on. In this word, principal word is hanger. So we will make plural of hanger, hangers on. Father-in-law, father-in-law. The principal word is father, fathers-in-law. Mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. There are some nouns, compound nouns, in which Both words are made plural. Man servant, men, man, servants, both words are made plural. Knight, Templar, Knight, Knight, Templer, Knight, Knights, Templars, both words are made plural. Lord, Justice, Lords, Justices. The short forms MPA, the plural of these is formed by adding s. MPA, MPAs. But if the short form is pronounced as one word, then we will form its plural in the other rules. Thank you very much.